What's up, guys? In this episode, I'm gonna talk about what I do, what I take to become a high performer in life, in business, in bed. And let's go. What's up, guys? My name is Brian Tran, serial entrepreneur making a boatload of money, a husband, a father, 2 beautiful kids, and I got energy for days. But here's what I do and here's what I take to make sure my body runs at its best. I get asked all the time, how do I have so much energy? How do I do all the things I do? I cheat. I got supplements. I got good routines. I got discipline that keeps me going day after day. So these are the things I do and these are the things I take to keep my testosterone at 10,000. Let's get right into it in no particular order. Number 1, Monster Energy Zero Ultra, guys. 10 calories per can. If you guys don't know, I love my Monster. Do I like Rockstar? Not so much. Do I drink Celsius? Sometimes. But the reason why I like Monster, number 1, it costs the same as Celsius, but you get more volume. You get 16 ounce, and I believe Celsius is only 12. So, I'm Chinese, I'm cheap. More is better for me. Number 2 is water. I try to get at least a gallon a day. So with these, it's about 4 or 5 of these bad boys. Now, what you don't see here, and a lot of you guys are gonna be in my comments saying, Brian, you waste your money. Brian, it's all placebo. Brian, you're stupid. Brian, you're full of shiznits. It's Kangen water. The machine itself costs $5,000, and that's what I use to get 9.5 pH. Now, that's the biggest rave. I see a lot of companies now promoting the alkaline water, 9.5. I've been doing it for years. Yes, the machine's expensive, but you know what's crazy is that I can afford it. And if it means just getting that competitive advantage, even if it is a placebo, I'm gonna do it because there is nothing that I won't do for my health. And you guys are gonna probably also say that, Brian, if it's all about health, why are you drinking Monster? I don't know, I like it. All right, and the next thing I do, and I'm gonna take a break from all the supplements here, is after I drink my water, every morning, I hit the gym. Why? And why do I do it in the morning? Why not in the afternoon? Sometimes I do, all right? Sometimes I work out in the afternoon, but I do it in the morning because I got childrens. And the children wake up early. So I wake up at 4:30, I go to the gym, and I get the pump. And most of the time, I feel real good. Sometimes I feel like crap. I don't wanna be there, but it's a discipline. I know that by the end of the workout, when I leave, I'm always gonna feel better than if I don't go at all. Well, Brian, why is working out important? Let me tell you why. Look, as a high performer running all these businesses, stress is a big component. I get stressed out. I wanna rip my hair out. I wanna go crazy. I wanna scream. I wanna hit some people, but I don't. And it's all because I work out and I get all that energy out and I feel good, I look good, and I perform better. I've always been working out. I love pumping iron. I love the sweat. I love the testosterone. And that's why I go every morning, 4:30. I'm up, I'm out. If you don't know by now, I'm a big caffeine guy. I love the power, I love the energy, and so that's why I have a big supplement stack. I actually have a couple of different brands here. I love Ghost, not so much for the performance. Personally, it's a little bit lower on the caffeine for me. It doesn't give me that jolt, doesn't give me that pump. I just love the taste. I got blue raspberry here. Actually, this is the wrong one. Where's my other one? Oh, I ran out. Ghost is a great one. The stimulation doesn't give me that crazy tingling feeling. I love drinking this on the way to the gym. And some days when I don't want the high caffeine, I actually take this Ghost Pump. Nitric oxide, natty is the flavor. I don't know what kind of flavor that is, but this is when I don't want the stimulation because I'm working out in the afternoon. I want to be able to go to sleep at night. So I take this and it just wants to rip out my shirt. This is a new one. ABE, all black everything. I actually like this a lot. Let me tell you why. They have something called Breathe Easy. And if you ever ate wasabi or something that is super like, it opens up your nasal passageway, this kind of does that. Not too crazy, but it's different. I like it. It's like a little minty in your, the back airway there. And it's pretty cool. Flavor-wise, pump-wise, it's all right, not too bad. Guys, that's what gets me in the morning. So if you're wondering why I'm so pumped up at 5:30 in the morning, I'm in the gym, I can thank Ghosts, I can thank ABE. They get me that way. Next one I take for more power is creatine. If you don't know what creatine is, this has the most research. This, like, you know, out of all this other stuff that you take, they all say muscle this, muscle that. Creatine has a lot of research behind it. People say that it's a lot of water weight, maybe. But what I found is that as long as I eat pretty healthy and I don't eat like things that are too high in sodium, I don't look bloated, you know what I mean? And again, if you drink a lot of water, you take a little creatine, you're gonna get them power, baby. Power, love it. Next up, I don't take this too often, but sometimes when I wanna spice up my water because I drink so much of it, is BCAA. Now, branch chain amino acids. It's supposed to help with recovery. I don't know, I don't notice a difference. Again, I work out so much that I'm always pretty sore, so maybe this helped, maybe it doesn't, but I drink it because Ghosts make these Sour Patch Kids watermelon. It's one of my favorite candy, and I love it more in a drink. Let's go. Next up, guys, I don't take this every day because I try to get all my proteins from animal sources. Guys, chicken, steak, I love throwing down in the grill, but sometimes in the morning when I'm in a rush, when I don't want to eat, I take my protein and I take it with water. I don't take it with milk, okay? Why? I don't know why. I just like it with water because the consistency is a little bit lighter and I can pound it pretty fast. This is peanut butter cereal milk, quite subtle. I like it a lot, but my favorite is the Nutter Butter. Ghost, you did it again, guys. You absolutely crushed it. I actually put this in my oatmeal sometimes, but protein. Next up, guys, you guys are gonna be like, Brian, you don't need to take all these pills. Yes, I do. Why? Because I like it when my urination is neon green. Starting with number one, I actually ran out, but I usually take a multivitamin by MetaLife. That one makes my pee-pee super yellow. But I take a 1 per day cranberry. Does it work? Who the hell knows? I take a digestive enzyme. This is a prebiotic, probiotic for my gut health. Does it work? I don't know. I'm not, you know, I go pretty regularly. So I take a Yohimbe, and this is supposed to be with fat loss. I think this one's kind of like a placebo. I don't feel nothing, but it's a small pill, so I can drink that pretty easy. And I take this one. This isn't always the brand I take, but it was on sale at Costco. But this is your COQ10, which is good for your heart. And guys, when you're taking all this, you want to make sure your heart's pumping and beating at a good, strong beat. So I take this. And that's pretty much what I take in terms of vitamins. This is what keeps me performing at my best. This, guys, is how I'm able to manage all the companies, wake up early, stay out late, and show up like a rock star. All right, guys, to summarize, all this, they're just supplements, okay? None of this will do anything if your diet is crap. Now, I admit, I drink alcohol. I admit, I eat chips. I admit, I eat McDonald's. But it is always through moderation, okay? Most of the time, my food are from natural, organic. I shop at Whole Foods, not because I want to, but because I'm too lazy to go to Safeway. It's a lot further where I live. But I try to buy the better ingredients, better things, because I am a Ferrari, and Ferraris need good quality energy sources. And then you add all the supplements in, and then you add in the working out, you add in the cardio, you add in the high performance activities. And that is what I do to make sure I show up like a rock star. I'm gonna conclude the video right here. Let me know down in the comment section, which pre-workout I should try next. I'm always looking for the next best thing. It's gotta taste good, it's gotta make me feel good, guys. Because a lot of times people always tell me, oh, I gotta try this. Oh, it's so strong, and I drink it, and it tastes like crap. And I'm like, guys, why am I drinking this? So send me your recommendation for all the stuff that tastes good and makes you feel good. Tell me what else I should be taking. I'm down to check it out. Tell me what you think. Give it a try. If you like it, great. If you don't, well, sucks for you. So with that being said, peace out.